Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling you out by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You use my name. In the street? My name is my name!
Okay, YouTube. Alright, y'all, we on the hunt for the Denalis. I had the front bumper. Long story with that. Anyway, we trying to grab that real quick. So, look through here and see what we can find, man. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Yeah, we found one. So let's snatch this off real quick, like. Get the fuck on. Should be 15. Yeah, 15. So y'all stay tuned, man. Yeah. We on it. Alright, y'all. I took my old bump off. Put the Denali bump on. I got a fog light. I fixed this gap underneath there. You know, I'm missing that public grill behind me. Fixed the gap. I just put bigger screws, a screw, a nut, and then a screw to lift it up. So yeah. So I don't think I'm gonna go with the Denali front grill and all the lights and everything. I might not. But yeah, we got it on there. So it's time to go get painted, man. Yeah.